Hi guys, welcome to my channel Venky's GK Bank. This is an excellent platform to prepare for your IAS, IPS and other competitive exams. We provide competitive questions with the latest edition. You will be given 10 seconds to choose the right answer. So without any further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. The International Monetary Fund or the IMF approved a loan of USD 2.9 billion to which country to tackle its economic crisis? Your options are A. Iran, B. Pakistan, C. Sri Lanka, D. Bangladesh. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Sri Lanka. Question number 2. Which organization manufactures Tejas Mark-2 Fighter Jets? A. DRDO, B. BEL, C. BDL, D. HAL. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. HAL. Question number 3. Who is the head of the expert committee constituted by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways on EV battery safety standards? A. Tata Narsingh Rao, B. Nandan Nilakanni, C. Ramesh Chand, D. Parameshwaran Iyer. Your time starts now. The right answer is A. Tata Narsingh Rao. Question number 4. Which Indian business person recently became the third richest person in the world as per the Bloomberg Billionaire Index? A. Cyrus Poonawalla, B. Gautam Adani, C. Mukesh Ambani, D. Radhakrishnan Damani. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Gautam Adani. Question number 5. Which Indian state or union territory has inaugurated the Rajiv Gandhi Rural Olympics Games? Your options are A. Assam, B. New Delhi, C. Rajasthan, D. Chhattisgarh. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Rajasthan. Question number 6. Which city hosted the UN session to save biodiversity? A. New York, B. Paris, C. Tokyo, D. Lahore. Your time starts now. The right answer is A. New York. Question number 7. Who has become the first Indian cricketer to have played 100 matches each in all the three formats of the game? A. MS Dhoni, B. Virat Kohli, C. Rohit Sharma, D. Ishant Sharma. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Virat Kohli. Question number 8. National Pricing Authority is associated with which union ministry? A. Union Health Ministry, B. Union Women and Child Development Ministry, C. Union Chemicals and Fertilizers Ministry, D. Union Social Justice and Empowerment Ministry. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Union Chemical and Fertilizers Ministry. Question number 9. Which sportsperson has won the BWF World Championship title in 2022? A. PV Sindhu, B. Carolina Marin, C. Victor Axelsen, D. K. Shrikant. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Victor Axelsen. Question number 10. When is the International Day Against Nuclear Tests observed? A. August 26th, B. August 28th, C. August 22nd, D. August 29? Your time starts now. The right answer is D. August 29th. Question number 11. Shumang Leela is a traditional festival held in which state or union territory? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Assam, C. Manipur, D. Kerala. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Manipur. Question number 12. What is the name of the new model of sustainable development of rivers proposed by Indian government? A. River SDG, B. Namami Bharat, C. Namami Nadi, D. Earth Ganga. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. Earth Ganga. Question number 13. Which major technology company has released the Child Safety Toolkit and Cybersecurity Upskilling Program? A. Microsoft, B. Google, C. Amazon, D. Apple. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Google. Question number 14. The 300-meter long Atal Bridge for pedestrians and cyclists has been inaugurated in which city? A. Gujarat, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Punjab, D. Madhya Pradesh. Your time starts now. The right answer is A. Gujarat. Question number 15. Which country has been hit by the tropical cyclone Mayon? A. Japan, B. China, C. Taiwan, D. Philippines. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. Philippines. Question number 16. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) withdrew the restrictions on which credit card services after compliance with data storage norms? A. Visa, B. American Express, C. Mastercard, D. RuPay. Your time starts now. Right answer is B. American Express. Question number 17. Antim Panghal, who was seen in the news, plays which sport? A. Badminton, B. Weightlifting, C. Hockey, D. Wrestling. Your time starts now. Right answer is D. Wrestling. Question number 18. India announced the establishment of a working group on transnational education with which country? A. Japan, B. USA, C. Australia, D. Russia. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Australia. Question number 19. India recently inaugurated the new Indian embassy in which country in August 2022? A. Iran, B. Paraguay, C. United Kingdom, D. Venezuela. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Paraguay. Question number 20. Which state has announced to set up online monitoring system of medicines in government-run medical institutions? A. Kerala, B. Punjab, C. Karnataka, D. West Bengal. Your time starts now. The right answer is A. Kerala. I hope you got some insights on how to prepare for IAS, IPS, and competitive exams. If you like our content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.